Hey guys, how you all doing? So Dan from Trading with Dan here. So just a quick video today. I wanted to show you guys what I believe to be one of the most important moving averages in Bitcoin. So just wanted to share that information with you. So if we go straight over to the chart, this moving average is the 128-day simple moving average. So as we can see, going back to 2016, we were pretty well supported by it. Had a wick below, supported by it. Wicked into it again, supported by it, supported by it, supported by it, supported by it. Nearly got to it again. Then we got supported by it here, and then eventually we broke through. So how I like to view this moving average is an indication of Bitcoin's overall trend, and obviously an important level for rejection or support. So when we then break through the moving average, as you can see here, after the 20k bubble pop, we then capitulated down quite a lot, and then we came back, sort of tested around it, just a bit over again, just tested it again, and then again got rejected down again. We popped up, tested it again, rejected by it because we're generally under it and in the bear trend. We actually did have a break over it here, well, sustained for a good few days, but we were subsequently rejected and broke back down again, and then rejected from it again, and then guided very nicely down, as you can see, to this capitulation here. We tested it again here, and then we did consolidate around this level, around this lower level. When we did sort of drift over, it's not like a convincing break above, but we did find ourselves above it, consolidating above it, and then that started the next bull run. The next bull run was actually pretty strong. You can see we didn't actually really test it until it came to starting a potential new bear market. As you can see in this run up here, we did actually test it quite a bit. This one we didn't at all, until obviously we get to this period here, and we tested it, we bounced off it, sort of tested it again and broke through. We then had that the big scam wick we got, the big China pump, all the way up to it, pierced it, and then rejected from it clearly again. We then sort of consolidated around it, broke above it, retested it, got back above again, retested it, and then capitulated through it again. You can kind of see the price action here. We get up to it, we hesitate around the line, break up again, have the move up, and then this is basically where we were a couple of days ago. We came and tested all the way down exactly to the 128 day moving average, and are now looking to try and bounce off it. So this for me is a line in the sand of the bull or bear market. So currently we're above it, so it's looking good. We have back tested it, which isn't the worst thing to do when you break a major moving average. We capitulated through it, we regained it quite impressively, and then back tested it. So if we do proceed to move upwards here, and then we then start to get the upwards curl, I do really think it could be lift off for Bitcoin. Obviously, conversely, if we come back again, we consolidate around it, break through, I mean, we could basically be continuing this sort of overall down movement, with the lower highs that we've been getting through this price action. So yeah, one other positive thing I'll say, just from the analysis of it here at the moment, is that we're actually getting a positive slope. So that is a bullish sign. Obviously, being above it and a positive slope are obviously two bullish boxes ticked. So that's it. That's all I wanted to show you guys very quickly. So thanks for listening, guys, and remember, it's not a financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor, and I will speak to you guys soon.